way to the end.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
It's rolling.
Okay, guys. So I'm gonna roll down this hall. I'm gonna roll down this whole hallway. Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Wee! I'm Disney!
Is that how you used to roll around in the middle school hallways?
Yeah, I love rolling around those hallways better.
What did Mrs. Smith and Mr. Mike say?
They used to get really pissed.
What do you think the janitors used to say?
What?
Eric, you know, I actually asked my friend Brad and my friend Al Martelli what he would say. What would they say if you rolled around in the hallway and they thought that it was weird? And then Al would and guess what? I asked Brad Kiff what he would do if he was your teacher, and I asked Al Martelli if he was your teacher. And guess what Brad Kiff would have said?
What?
I would have sent him down to the principal's office. And you know what Al Martelli said?
What?
I would have had him expelled.
Oh. Well, that has happened before, but I didn't get that far.
Oh yeah? Yeah, hang on. Can you do something with me now?
Sure. Here, can I watch the video?
Yeah. Wait.